Today's brain game is called Name That Sound.
Ooh.
Now, Natalie and Leslie,
Cool.
as you know, I love to use my little recorder to collect interesting sounds from throughout Taiwan, and I use them to create radio shows.
Right.
So, in today's brain game, we're going to have you guess 5 different sounds.
From Taiwan?
Yes, these are sounds from Taiwan.
Cool.
And they are all transportation related.
Oh, how fun.
So on buzzer number 1, we have Natalie So. Buzzer number 2, we have Leslie Liao. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, 5 sounds. Whoever guesses the most sounds will, I guess, be crowned the king or queen of transportation.
The king of noise.
Exciting.
All right, let's have a listen to our first sound. All right, Leslie, you got that first?
MRT's doors closing.
That is correct. That is the sound of the doors closing on the MRT to let you know
Very
the doors are closing.
specific.
I run after subway trains a lot, so I know that now.
All right, and here is actually the full sound. We can hear the full sound of the doors closing. There's an initial warning.
Did you ever step in during that sound?
I can't say because you're not supposed to barge in after, so.
I don't know if you heard the little kid in the background
Yeah.
imitating it. I was
That's
so
me,
mad.
actually. That was actually me. That wasn't a little kid.
No, that's
I
a
was-
good touch.
Yeah,
That
no,
was a
when I
nice
first
touch.
recorded, I was really upset because I thought he ruined the sound, but it actually adds to the sound. It really
Sure.
makes it quite cute.
Okay.
All right, sound number 2. You ready?
Is that your
Leslie.
electric scooter?
That is my electric scooter. That's right.
Oh, I've never heard that before. That's cool.
That's the sound of a Gogoro.
That is so cool.
So it's got a lot of beeps on there. Leslie.
Your Gogoro is a Gogoro 3, right?
Yes.
Because they need to add it in that sound because Gogoros used to be too quiet and pedestrians couldn't hear them.
My understanding is that actually all Gogoros were too quiet, so they actually had to record the sound of the engine and then increase it by 10 times as much.
Wow.
All right,
pretty
here's
cool.
sound number 3. Y'all ready? Yes.
Ambient noise on a bus.
No.
No.
Train?
No. Want to hear again?
Yeah.
Sure.
Listen carefully. At one point, you'll hear people screaming.
Woo! Are you on an airplane going to Penghu?
No.
Malcolm Gondola?
No! You
Oh.
guys aren't getting this. I'll tell you what it is. This is the ferry going from Danshui to Bali.
Oh.
And if you listen really carefully, you can
It's
hear a
been a while.
splash sound, and then you can hear people going,
Oh,
woo!
gosh.
Okay.
That's cool.
All right, 2 more shots.
Oh,
Taipei main station announcements.
Sorry, say it again.
Taipei main station announcements?
No.
train announcements.
It is train announcements, but where is it? It's not
It's-
Taipei, Maine.
It's on a Hualien train going to Hualien.
Nope. It's going to Hualien, but it's not. Where is this?
It's not on the train?
Yes.
Is that Taidong?
That's right. That is the Taidong train station,
Oh.
and that's actually the Amis language.
Oh.
Oh, cool.
One of the few places in the world where you can hear an indigenous Taiwanese language being broadcast over the intercom.
that's
I thought it was
Cool.
Japanese at first.
A lot
Yeah,
of people think
I
it's
thought
Japanese.
it was Japanese.
That is
All right,
really
all
nice.
right.
Final sound. Leslie?
That's the bus on the way to work.
Yes, it is. Fantastic job. So those are all sounds of different forms of transportation. I'm sorry, Natalie, this time it wasn't your day.
I guess not.
But apparently you're a big transportation rider.
I think
Leslie.
it's just noise. I bask in the noise. I absorb
You
the
pay
noise. I
attention.
know about the noise.
All right, well, the reason why I wanted to do this week is because I'm unofficially calling this Infrastructure Week. We had two different metro systems which unveiled new lines this week. One is the Danshui line, the light rail line, but I now want to show you a video of the brand new metro system in Taichung in central Taiwan. which you can ride for free for the next month. Have a look.
A train enters a station on the Green Line of Taichung's brand new MRT system. It's day one of a month-long trial period in which passengers can ride for free. Nearly 5,000 passengers took a ride on the new system in the first 2 hours it was open. One student says that the MRT makes her trip to school 10 minutes faster than the bus. This mom says the new system will make life easier to get around with her kids. This passenger made a special trip from New Taipei City to Taichung just to go for a ride on the new metro. But first-time riders will want to take heed of the beeping sound. That's a signal that the doors are about to close. For now, there's just one line on the Taichung MRT, but it stretches more than 16 kilometers, has 18 stops, and connects the city to the high-speed rail line. Free rides will last between now and December 15th.